Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload CapCut project to cloud. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main interface before moving on. If CapCut takes a moment to open, just wait until everything is visible and responsive. Starting from the main screen helps ensure you can follow the next steps smoothly. Once you're inside the app, look over to the left side navigation panel and click on Spaces. This is the section where cloud-based items and shared storage options are typically managed. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the menu carefully. The Spaces area is important because this is where you'll begin the upload process for your project. After opening Spaces, click on Upload. This option will allow you to send a project from your device into the cloud. In most cases, clicking Upload will open a file selection window so you can browse your local files. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure you know where your CapCut project is saved on your computer or device, since that will make the next step much faster. Now select the sample project you want to upload. Browse to the correct folder, then click on the project file so it becomes highlighted or selected. Be careful to choose the right project before continuing, especially if you have multiple versions saved with similar names. Taking an extra moment here can help you avoid uploading the wrong file. With the project selected, click OK, Open, or Upload, depending on which button appears in the file window. The wording may vary slightly based on your device or operating system, but the purpose is the same: confirming your selection and starting the upload. Once you click the button, the project will begin uploading to the cloud. After that, give the upload a few moments to complete. The time it takes can depend on the project size and your internet connection. It's best to keep the app open until the process finishes so nothing interrupts the upload. When the upload is done, your CapCut project should be available in the cloud through the Spaces section. And that's all it takes to upload a CapCut project to the cloud. By opening the app, going to Spaces, choosing Upload, selecting your project, and confirming the action, you can store your work online for easier access and organization.